Money, Your Excellency, Mr. Speaker, in the office of the Deputy President, I have problems that we are not being sensitive to the Kenyan child. We are not being sensitive to the times that we are living in. The second problem I have with this budget, as I look at it, Mr. Speaker, it is the money in the infrastructure sector. The Constitution 2010 provides that any expenditure must be equitable, that the programs of the government must involve all parts of the country. When I look at the money that is going to fund infrastructure, it is going to fund infrastructure in particular sections of the country at the expense of the others. The question I keep on asking, are these people paying tax or not? The third point, Mr. Speaker, on this budget is in the energy sector. Mr. Speaker, I come from a constituency where 37 educational institutions are not provided with electricity, despite the fact that this House passed a motion indicating that all schools, all educational institutions must be provided with electricity. When I look at the budget lines, I don't see my constituency and other constituencies whose schools are not provided by electricity catered for. Mr. Speaker, I'm persuaded to think today, unless advised otherwise, that the increase in the money for defense indicates that then as a government, we are encouraging the problem in the Rift Valley. We are actually funding bandits